The Vrriis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers a strong high-definition signal over long distances, making it ideal for sending video from a computer, camera, or set-top box to a television or projector without running cables. Its dual-band wireless design and high-definition support keep image quality crisp and motion smooth enough for fast games and live sports, with delay that is barely noticeable in normal use. Setup is straightforward, thanks to a true plug-and-play approach, so you can get a wireless link running quickly without drivers, software, or complicated menus. The system includes a loop-through connection on the transmitter and dual outputs on the receiver, allowing you to monitor locally and feed two displays at once while still keeping control of the source device through infrared pass-through. Flexible power options, including support for common camera-style batteries, Type-C power, and portable power banks, make this kit well-suited for field shoots, temporary installations, and mobile event setups. For more complex layouts, the ability to pair one transmitter with multiple receivers adds versatility for multi-room viewing or multi-monitor monitoring, backed by responsive technical support from the brand.